Hey guys, my name is Akhil and welcome to our channel btech Career Guide. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the one of the MNC company, which is an Accenture. Many people who have applied from our channel have received the test mails. So initially, they have received this virtual slot, and then the guidelines to write the test, and then they have received the test mail, which they're gonna attempt on Friday, this Friday, which means around um, chup, 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 15, yeah, on 15th. Okay, so they have given certain slots for that. So for 10 a.m. slot, 2 p.m. slot, and 7 p.m. slot. So it depends upon your availability to which slot you are gonna take. Okay, so in this video, I will be driving you to what are the mails that their candidates have received. Okay, what is the pattern of the exam? Okay, we see the what is the pattern of the exam, and we'll see the previous year's questions that were asked. Okay, when the people have applied from our channel. Okay, so this is the main agenda for this video, so watch till the end so that you will get much of the information that required, and I will be explaining the concept which you need to be thorough before you start the test. Okay, so let's go into our exam draw. So the Accenture, which I told, and they have received the two mails, which is virtual assessment slot mail and the assessment read lines and system enablement. Okay, system enablement email. Okay, so these are the two emails that the candidates have received in a short span of time. And let us see the first virtual assessment slot. Okay, so this is the first assessment slot email. I your name. We are in the process of scheduling your virtual assessment as part of your packaged app development associate hiring. So that's the role. And please click here for the available slots and choose one as per your availability. So as the slots, I told the slots are of three levels, three different sections: 10 a.m. slot, 2 p.m. slot, and 7 p.m. slot. So based on your availability, take any slot. Okay, but choose the earlier one, which is 10. That's good. Okay, so please choose your slot by 14th November 4 p.m. Select your slot carefully as you will not have an option to change it later. Okay, so fix your time, make sure you have certain proper time given to the exam. It will be taking around 60 plus 19 1 hour, 1.5 2.5 hours. Okay, 2.5 hours test. Make sure you are able to sit in one position and write exam properly. Okay, so this if you have faced any technical issues during assessment or the interview rounds, please contact us so and so number or a chat box, and this is normal information about this Accenture and stuff. Okay, so this is the virtual assessment slot email. In this email they are telling you to select the slot. Okay, and the next email which is around the assessment read lines, readiness. Okay, readiness, something read lines, something readiness and system enablement. I'm really good at these pronunciations, somewhat. Enablement. Okay. So, anyways, the point is to get you clear. Done. Okay. So, this is the email. Your name. It's time to gear up for the assessment rounds. You will be soon be receiving details of your assessment along with your time slots and guidelines as part of readiness. Now I got the word readiness. Readiness check you are required to. First of all, install safe exam browser SEB to participate in our process. So Accenture has a separate window which is a browser. You need to install that so that it will be asking you to enter the login details of the exam, and then you can continue with your exam. Okay, you can't close the tab. Okay, here is the link. So I have disabled all the links. So actually here you will be finding all the links. This is the link and this is the link. So links should not be disclosed. So I have removed that. Don't worry. So download the SCB link and then system configuration link, and you can download from there. And then mandatory participate in your mock assessment to check your system readiness and enabling ease while taking your assessment. Most of the people what they do is like they won't take this mock exam, this mock test by any of the companies. They won't take this mock exams, and at the time of okay, at the time of exam they will be facing lot of issues like the cam is not working or the software is not opening, and someone will be telling like microphone issues. Okay, so initially you need to take this mock test. So basically the exam, the main exam which you're taking is the replica of this mock. Okay, so once you take this mock test, it will be checking all the requirements of the system, your cpu utilization, not cpu, like your browser supportiveness or not, or javascript enabled or not, and then your cam, your microphone. Okay, so there are different type of checks that every software does. All these checks will be done in this mock assessment. So what you need to do, you need to first initially have a mock assessment. You just directly click on that mock and attempt one or two questions and click on submit. That's fine. Make sure that your system is capable to take that mock test. Okay, so do this. Okay, do this, don't forget this, just do this, just give it a round, just give it a go. Okay, so do that. And then mock assessment link is here, so give the mock assessment from here. Okay, and then mock test will be active till Thursday, today, November 14, 2024, 12 p.m. Okay, so what, 12 p.m, so you can give the mock till today night. Okay, not 12 p.m, 12 a.m, we can say, like it's 11:59 p.m, right? Okay, please check your mock test before specific time. Okay, please finish your mock before you the specific time. That's it. And then system requirements to attempt the test. So here is the system requirements which we are talking about. So laptop or desktop must be enabled with webcam and microphone. Webcam should be capture image clearly. Both webcams and microphone must be in switch on mode across all the assessment and interview stages of your process. So all your microphones and cameras should work properly. In case if the camera doesn't working, it's not working, just you need to have a external camera or a external microphone like this. Okay, and then RAM and processor. Windows should be having 4 GB plus RAM plus i3 fifth generation 2.2 GHz or equivalent or higher, which will be fine. This is the basic every laptop will be having. And the Mac, it should be have 8 GB RAM, i5 8th generation or equivalent. Excuse me. Sorry. You can skip this. My coughing. I can't cut that. Hmm. Next, operating system. It should be Windows, only Windows 8, 10 or 11. Mac OS version 10.9 or above. And Google Chrome browser version 127 or above, which means everyone will be having the latest one, or else it will be automatically downloading its updates. Next, stable internet connection for 2 Mbps. Okay, enabling through the broadband connection to avoid unstable 3G or 4G networks. Okay, VPN proxy should be disabled. Proxy VPNs, or turn off your VPNs, man. Safe exam browser SCB must be installed mandatory. If you have not installed the safe secure exam browser yet, please install now. Okay, install that browser once you get this email. And attempting mock assessment will help you in having a hassle free experience in your assessment rounds. Hence we encourage you to mandatory take up the mock assessment for 10 minutes. Okay, just a 10 minutes exam, doesn't cost you much, just take that exam. Ensure you do not share the unique mock assessment link to anyone. Don't share. If found, we will be taking necessary action that can lead to disqualify for our hiring process. Okay, so your links, your password, your email address are unique and which are not shareable. In case if you want to share to your friends also, just take a screenshot and put in one time view and send it. In case if they note it down on a paper, we can't do anything, but don't send because it's a crucial data. So once you learn about the cyber security courses and stuff, then you'll be finding how valuable the data is. Okay, so every minor data is crucial. Okay, and please ensure you go through this assessment guidelines documents before you participate in the recruitment process. So nothing, as we discuss, all this detail will be again they will be giving in this assessment guideline documents only. And if you face any technical issues during the assessment or the interview rounds, please call so and so number or else chat box on help text. And good luck from the Accenture and from btech career guide. Okay, so these are the two mails that the people have got regarding the assessment readability and virtual assessment slot. Okay, and here you go. What are you waiting for? So let us see the exam pattern. Ta-da! Excuse me. So the exam pattern for this Accenture. So this is a pattern which they are following from the past many tests. So there are two sections. which will be first one will be MCQs, and the second one will be the coding as usual. Okay. I was due to this climate change. Recently I was suffered from fever, and then cold, cough, everything. So this is my bottle, Limca. We boys, we don't buy water bottles. Just we'll get some drinks and we use that as water bottle. E- Okay, okay. Anyways, um, so the exam pattern, they have consist of two sections, which is MCQ and then coding. MCQs, they will be giving you pseudo codes. Okay, so pseudo codes, and then few concepts on networking and few concepts related to this operating system. Okay, so uh, based on your computer science subjects, they will be giving you few questions and then few pseudo code. Okay, you need to trace them in 60 minutes. You need to trace them and you need to answer the questions. So basically, these pseudo codes will be mostly based upon based upon taran, pointers concepts. Okay, pointers in C. It will be mostly it will be based on pointers or an array or arrays arrays or basic operations. So let me keep it here. Let me zoom out a bit. So this pseudocode will be, oh, sorry, nice. This pseudocode will be based upon this arrays, pointers, and basic operations only. They won't go much, and strings also strings. That's a crucial. Mm, strings. So these are the only concept they which they're gonna touch. So because why I'm concluding this, like, so I've seen many exams, Accenture. Okay, they have asked on only on this particular topics, but they will be mostly focusing on this pointers and basic operations only. Okay, they some questions they will be asking about this arrays and strings, but mostly in point if they use pointers, they have to use some arrays. Okay, and they have to use some strings. So basically, everything will be falling into one loop, which is pointers. Okay, so you need to be thorough about pointers in case if they give in the C language. In other language, I don't know. Okay, so mostly they will be giving you in C only, or they will be giving you some algorithms kind of thing, algorithms. Okay, like basic structure they will give, like A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2. Uh, C is equal to A plus B, print C. So they will ask you what is the value of C, 5, 4, 3, 7, and you need to answer it as 7. Okay, that's how it will be. Easy peasy. Don't worry, all good. Next, they will be asking you two coding questions. This one, two coding questions. These coding questions will be, what are you thinking of? It will be an easy level only. Okay, so they will be giving you easy level questions. Okay, don't worry, like from the past you can go to our channel, we'll see the previous year's questions also. So they will be giving you easy, medium easy questions. Okay, not that much level off. In case if you get higher level also, that's fine. We will help you to clear all those rounds. Okay, um all those questions are easy. You can directly, once if you read the question, you will be able to write the logic. That's how the Accenture test will be. Like they will be hiring all the people in bulk, right? So they want maximum capacity to what clear the test. Okay, so that's why they give you like medium easy and easy level questions. And this one, and the MCQs test I forgot to mention, like the test is around 60 minutes, and the coding round they will be giving you around 90 minutes, where you need to solve two coding questions. We can solve it in a less than a half an hour. Okay, that's a separate thing, but they gave 90 minutes, so you need to use the 90 minutes properly. Done, Akhil. So you are telling the exam pattern and the subjects that they will ask in MCQs, like pseudocode, networking, operating systems, and computer DBMS, so and so. And coding, you have told it will be taking 90 minutes to complete the test, two coding questions and all. So what are the topics that we need to prepare to clear this coding round? Okay, that might be your one of the question, right? So I have corrected the few concepts where they have asked one question, not one, mostly few questions on these particular topics. So I have framed them below. Don't worry, I'll be scrolling the slide below. I'll be explaining what are the topics that you need to be thorough before you take the test. Okay. In case if the concept is new, I'm telling it before. In case if the concept is new to you, don't read. Okay, no worries. You can't like in a hundred number. What is the probability of you getting five? 1/100. So leave it, man. Don't worry. In case if you get, that's a different thing. Maybe if you are the 1/100%, we can't do anything. Okay. Um, but in case if it is a new concept, it will be taking you time. Like you need to prepare this theory part, you need to do some programming stuff, and you need to do some online coding problems. So this all takes a long process. In case the topic is new, just leave it. Okay. So here you go. So these are all the topics that you need to learn or master or know before you take this Accenture test. So what is that? Arrays and list, backtracking, stacks and queues, trees and graphs, basic data structure implementation. I'll be explaining each and everything. Just let's go to one. Hashing, bit manipulation, string manipulation, array and string manipulations, matrix operation, and these are the few algorithms: sorting and searching algorithms, two pointer and sliding window techniques, greedy algorithms, dynamic programming, and mathematical computations. So these are all topics that you need to learn or to know before you start this Accenture test. Like they will be asking few questions on array and list. Arrays in programming language and list in Python, both are same somewhat. Okay, so arrays and lists you need to be thorough, and then backtracking, which is really important. Okay, when you write these recursive functions and stuff. Okay, so backtrack is very important when you do all this stuff. And then data structures and queue. Okay, why this line is not coming straight? Yeah, super. So data structures and queues you need to learn. So you need to learn some postfix, prefix, expressions, validations. Okay, and then for queue you need to. There are a few problems on queues also. I don't remember now. So that queues also you need to learn. And then trees and graphs. This is where most of the people will be lacking or dropping from solving the questions. So trees and graphs are one of the important topic. Okay, and then basic structure implementation, like they will be asking you to implement stack, queue, linked list. Okay, so basic implementation, they will be asking you to implement a stack to perform operation by giving certain numbers, and linked list also. Okay. E. Next one, the hashing techniques, like counting frequency, something they will be giving from this hashing. And then bit manipulation, bitwise operations, all operations bitwise XOR bitwise so and so. There it's a small program, but there is a lot of logic that need to be written, like not logic but lot of thinking is needed in bit manipulations. I think when I was in my first year, they gave a question on this bit manipulations to find the sum. I think find the sum of two numbers without using plus symbol. And I know the concept of bitwise operation, but I couldn't able to solve. But later, after the exam, when I opened my book, then there is a program which is written by me only. But uh, we sometimes we don't remember things, but we don't remember the logic also sometimes. I was trying to do all the operations by using all the gates. I got all the gates, and I was trying to do, but anything doesn't work. But it's around or the exam is about to end in 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, and I have saw that question that there is a question, separate question in the entire paper that I need to solve. I forgot about this question only. Like I felt like it's a basic program. Let's do it afterwards. And by the end, I forgot that question too. Right. Then after around 5 to 5 minutes, I recollect that okay, I have left something and started tracing and everything. But in 5 minutes, that was the era where I was the new to the programming, not new to the programming. I know this Python basics and stuff, and then this first year means they will be teaching us C. Their you know C is the language which taught me more into this programming, which given me the scope of learning into the different programmings. Okay, why am I all telling this? E Forgot. Okay, bit manipulations. Ah, yeah, yeah. So bit manipulations. So you need to learn some bit manipulations. Pakka. You need to learn pakka. Okay, and then strict manipulations like substrings and all substrings. Substrings without without repeating with repeating all these string manipulations you need to do, and array plus string manipulations. Okay, so you need to take in a certain array for storing certain strings and then map and so and so. And matrix operations, transpose few operations, matrix additions, matrix multiplication matrices. Okay, so all this will be dealing this matrix operation. And sorting and searching, bubble sort, insertion sort, and then searching merge sort, so and so searching techniques. And two pointer sliding window technical, this is one of the crucial topic. Okay, that you need to master. And gradient algorithms, dynamic programming, DP, really frustrating sometimes, but once you understand all this programming concept, like it's an easy, like you can do it on your fingertips, or else you'll be lacking in many concepts. And the mathematical computations, which is very easy if you know this formula, sum of all numbers, um, sum of the series, what is s is equal to n by 2 something formula. In case if you know these formulas, then mathematical computations are really easy, or you can directly trace it out there itself. Okay, so these are the topics that you need to prepare to clear the Accenture round. So I'm not telling all these topics, but you need to have some answer on this arrays and list and some backtracking. Okay, and then you need to have some understanding about the strings manipulation, array manipulations. Okay, let me use this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, so and they didn't ask much, so these are the three topics that you need to learn to or master before you go into this Accenture test, because they have asked questions on these three topics already. Not much into this, but you know we can't predict the exam, so it's better if you learn all this concept, that then it will be easy for you to clear the test. So we are not the paper decider, so we are just the paper taker. So but the topics which I mentioned, have a read, go through them, have a nice read about that, and then give the test tomorrow properly. And so these are the topics that you need to prepare. And let us see, this is our channel, right? So I have post regarding the Accenture also. Let us see Accenture. So you can go into our channel. First of all, do subscribe. Okay. E. So this is the Accenture coding round solutions. All test case passed. I have posted this. And then Accenture coding round all test case passed. I have posted 2 months ago, and I posted this around 4 months ago, which got 10K views, and this got 515 views. 4 months ago, 10K. That was there when most of the people taking Accenture, and we really helped a few of our people to clear the coding assessment. Okay, and I will be explaining this also interview questions. One of the candidates have gone to this interview process, and they have told these are the questions that were asked during the Accenture interview questions. Okay, in just 9 minutes, it's very difficult to learn in just 9 minutes. But the video which I made is around 9.0 seconds. So I just added a like small text like in just 9 minutes, and it got 378 views. Very bad. It's okay. I think that's all the videos that I've posted on Accenture. Only two videos. Okay. Let me pause this video. Okay. Relax. So it was posted 4 months ago. They have again started the hiring now. So this is the first question. LA's magical shoes question. Okay. So LA has a pair of magical shoes that allow it to climb three states at once in the city. They are, so you watch this video fully so that you will understand. I will be explaining the logic there itself, but now why I'm telling is like I'll be showing you how the level of code it is. Okay, so you understand this question later. So I'm just writing the core logic, taken the input error. See, that's the code. You don't need to understand fully. Okay, where is this? Did I skip? Okay. So this is the code. Let me pause this video. So this is the code. Okay, so that's how the basic, that's basic. Let me frame a nice sentence. That's how the questions will be. Like they will be asking you few very basic questions, because they are testing you. They're testing whether you are capable to write code or not. first of all. So if you are able to write code, then fine. So in around 1 2 3 4 5 lines you have completed your code. So this is the first one. Okay, and the second one is arm value, like even and odd, I guess. Even and odd sum. mm, we can optimize this code also, but I've written in this manner, like, as a fresher. So basically we'll be doing it in 1 or 2 lines, or sometimes 3 lines. Okay, so this is the code from 4 to 16 in 12 lines. We have concluded the program. So that's how the program will be. Like, you need to know some operations, like these are basic math operations. Okay, so absolute and stuff. So basic math operations, these questions were asked for most of the people. And like, 10K views means like most of the people have got this. They have. So this is there is a guy who have given some optimal solution also. That's good. I really encourage this kind of people to come up and give the code to the community. Okay, please give the boiler code on Java. But sometimes I usually code in Python, guys. So I don't ask for the people to send the Java code. But the next time I'll be asking, okay, is there an option Java or Python, any language that you can choose? So it's around 10 months, 4 months ago. So these are the questions that were asked 4 months ago. But basically we'll be checking the latest one, right? So this is the latest one. So in this is the latest exam. Okay, this latest exam, it was this video was posted 2 months ago. And let us see the questions. Oh, what is the duration of this recording? It's 20. Nice, fine. Okay, where are we? Same Accenture, like I'm telling. So this is the first program. Where is this question? So I'm explaining about this even position sum, and then going on to get the inputs, range, and then I'm explaining some things there. So this is backtracking, recursive function. Okay, that were asked in this question. Oh, first question is completed. Huh? No, wait a sec. Oh, that's how the simple program. The first question is getting the range, getting the reversing the number, and then just finding the sum of for every second element. Okay, jumping, jump, 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 and you'll be finding the result. Okay, so that's the first question. Very simple program. And then let us see the second one, which is a recursive function. And so this see there are few more operations on this, like from line number 4 to line number 12, 8 lines of code. But there is some operations here, like there we need to use some list and then some basic math operations and inbuilt what you call function inbuilt methods of the list. Okay, so you'll be touching all these concepts itself, like array backtracking and searching algorithms and listing manipulations or array manipulations, mathematical computations also sometimes. Okay, so these are the few, like four questions now around. We have seen four questions which are of very easy level. Okay, very easy level. Okay, so don't get confused. And the next video, oh, relax, okay. Okay, the next video which I posted, like, bro, నువ్వు Accenture లో సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యావా? నో బ్రో, అదేంటి బ్రో, వీడియోలో బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసావు కదా, అయినా సెలెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు. సో సాడ్, Accenture doesn't have an opportunity to have me. I've already working profession. Oh, boo. It was a year ago, so I don't remember this comment. Okay, nice. So in this video, I have explained about this Accenture interview questions. So what are the questions? So I've seen kind of numbers of a few countries. So the first one. So these are the people who have cleared the round from us. Like, that was the era when I was. There is no YouTube channel for us, but I was helping the people to clear all these rounds for free. Okay, I was helping them to clear all these coding round questions. And there are few candidates who are placed in top MNCs and some private based companies also, but not I. Sometimes it's okay. Don't worry. First of all, they'll be asking you self introduction, and then so I've explained in this video how you need to. I think the video is in Telugu. This Telugu video, initially I should do all the videos in Telugu. Then later, North and North and Karnataka people have texted me to do in English. So I shifted the channel to English. In the same channel, I've shifted to English mediuming. Okay, so they also need to understand, right? So not all, don't know, we should not get benefit, but it's benefit for all, for a good better route. Okay, and then explain about your major project, and then how did you divide the task and coordinate with other people in your college project, certifications in technology, and explain situation where you become become low, and how do you overcome it? And what is your least favorite subject in your college, and how did you manage to clear it? So these are the few basic questions. And what things did you learn from your college? Any questions? And thank you. So these are the few questions that were asked for one candidate. Okay, so I don't generalize things, but it was asked around 1 year, right? So I think one candidate told me like this is the questions that were asked for me, and all good. I think they are doing nice job. Okay, so these are the three videos which I've released on Accenture, and this is the fourth video which I'm releasing on Accenture. What I will be telling is like, first of all, you understand what are the things. Like we went to these virtual slots, and then the exam pattern, what will be the timing, and what are the topics that you need to learn. Okay, what are the topics that you need to learn and stuff. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to go through this each and every topic, learn, enhance your skills. Or else you can do just practice these programs. Okay, so pause the video on the question, understand the question, just decode it. In case if you don't know, I will be explaining in the video itself, like this is how you need to trace, this is how you need to get the code and solution. Okay, make certain time, go through this video, try to solve by your own. Okay, this one and this one, total four questions. Maybe there might be a chance like you might get these questions itself, like you can directly write the code from the video. Okay, so we can't tell you, but in case if you're lucky enough, you'll be getting, or else don't worry, we are always here to help you out. So this interview questions, once you clear all these rounds, you'll be getting this interview questions itself. Okay, so that's what I gonna tell you in this video. Like, all the best. Where is this all the best? All the all the best images. So how I do is like, I'll be selecting the nice thing. This is nice. Now this one is nice. Copy image, and then I'll go to this example draw, and then I will be pasting it here nicely. I will be, oh, totally. um Hey, what happened, man? Nice. So nicely I'll be pasting it here. All the best for the exam. Okay, so that's it in this video, guys. Let's catch up in another video. Till then, have a nice day. Okay, have a nice rest of your day, and prepare well. So I wish most of the people from my channel should clear the round one. That is what I'm hoping for. In case if you need any assistance, you can directly ping me on Instagram, Telegram, LinkedIn itself, if you want to talk to me in a professional manner. Okay, so these are the mediums where you can contact me. In case if you need any help, just let me know. Okay, done. So let's wrap the session now itself. Okay, it's a time. Okay, let's catch up in another video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.